Responder Week in Omaha, and with call volume on the rise for people experiencing a mental health crisis, the Omaha Police Department's co-responder team is more beneficial than ever. KETV News Watch 7's Maddie Augustine sat down with members of that unit in this KETV exclusive. Maddie.
Julie, it's important to note co-responders are not duty-sworn officers. They are civilians who are mental health professionals that respond alongside officers to assist with anyone having mental health-related struggles.
A team of 6 mental health professionals.
What we're here to do is to try to just address that gap a little bit more effectively.
Stepping in daily to assist Omaha police officers on 911 calls.
Officers don't have to focus on now what do I do with the mental health piece, because I'm there to assist with that, and they can focus on the law enforcement and safety of everybody that's around.
They're known as the Frank Unit, or co-responders. And OPD Mental Health Coordinator Lindsay Kroll says they're like connectors, working to provide an expert presence on any mental health related call.
Mental illness isn't something that you see. It's not like a broken bone or you take an x-ray to see what someone's experiencing, so it can look like a lot of different things.
OPD Mental Health Crisis Co-Responder Shelly Poole says every call is different.
Crisis does this, and it can be quick, it can be long and drawn out.
But the most vital step is to be present with those who are struggling.
They don't always want to have their problems solved, they just want to be listened to.
In her 5 years, Kroll says the unit has grown exponentially in how their role is perceived and utilized.
Just the conversations that we can have with people, with the community, with our fellow officers, with command, recognizing that we are not immune to mental health struggles as humans.
But also growing in the call volume and need for mental health expertise.
So far this year, we've had 8,400 calls that are mental health related into 911. So the call volume's there. In 2023, we had 10,307 mental health related calls for service.
Of those 8,400 calls, Kroll says their team of 6 has been able to make face-to-face contact on 1,737 and have effectively canceled officer responses more than 300 times.
That's really allowed officers time to be freed up to respond to other higher priority calls. We know that we're down officers, and so any way we can kind of take that burden off of their call load and assist effectively with that person in crisis, it's a win-win for everyone.
On pace to surpass last year, Poole says part of the increase is recognizing how vast mental health is and the need for resources.
Omaha's been more on the forefront of trying to be out loud about mental health.
Kroll says they hope to add one more member to their team this year, but ultimately she would love to see the team grow to 13 co-responders to better serve Omaha. OPD co-responders also host trainings for officers, recruits, and the community with organizations, neighborhoods, and citizens. They also encourage anyone struggling to contact 988 at any time. Julie, back to you.